Welcome back. 21,900 on the Nifty. The top Nifty loser is BPCL as crude prices are still at $89 per barrel. Axis Bank, Bajaj Auto, Tata Motors, Infosys, HDFC Life. These constitute amongst the big Nifty losers, large cap losers this morning. But now let's turn our attention to the commodity markets and get the latest there. Manisha.
Well, thank you for that. It's been some morning as we continue to deal with various kind of reports from various areas as well. But what we have seen is very volatile morning for many of these tangible commodities. Crude oil price is clearly in focus because day before yesterday, we saw a 3% decline and prices go down to a 3-week lows. But overnight and today morning, we're trading almost 2.5% on the higher side. We did see prices go up by 4% as well at one point in time to almost 90.5. There are concerns on oil supply disruption in West Asia and Middle East with the kind of reports that are coming in. So a lot of trade clearly is sentiment driven. Having said that, the US has imposed sanctions on Iran and Venezuela, and that also seems to be working its way into prices. Iran, remember, the oil exports from Iran in the last year have been the highest in 6 years. Of course, the sanctions do not or exclude oil companies in Iran, but the markets do believe with what's happening in the Middle East and West Asia, you could be looking at this sentiment continuing or premium continuing on the higher side for the crude oil prices there. The gold prices also have surged up. We are looking at near record highs onto that one as well. After that news that came in the morning, we saw the prices go all the way to $2,412 an ounce. But from those kind of levels, there is some cooling off as newer reports start coming in and the markets are reacting to this as well. But the major gains continue in case of the base metal as a sector. I mean, April is going to be a second very strong month here. We have seen supply disruptions, improvement in demand. The defense demand is coming in. Infrastructure numbers have been on the positive side. The US dollar index slightly softer from its 6-month highs also seems to be supporting many of these metal prices here. So I'll start with nickel, where we have seen prices trade at a 29-week highs right now. And we have seen 9.5% of a jump up in last 1 month. Not just nickel, tin is trading at a 2-year highs as well. Here as well, it is about mining disruptions in Myanmar, which are keeping the prices higher. Tin also is used in battery and soldering, and that is where the demand seems to be coming in stronger. And tin also has seen multi-year highs continuing for the last couple of months now. The other one is copper, and 2-year highs onto this one. $9,730 an ounce is a ton is where we are trading onto this one, up 8% in last 1 month, and the copper prices have been the best performer really in the last 10-15 days. Aluminum is trading at a 14-month highs, 15% of a jump up in last 1 month. You also have iron ore prices now trading at around 5-week highs, and coal is trading at a 15-week highs. Everything that you see in sense of tangible commodities continues to be bought into.
Okay, all right. Manisha, thanks very much for that. So that is, of course, top of mind as far as commodities are concerned.